Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this open heart border. So let's get started. To work this border, you're going to start in a corner stitch. So just insert your hook in the corner, and I'm going to attach my yarn. I'm just going to lock it in with one stitch. And so I need a chain 10, so that's going to count as my first stitch. So I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slip stitch to join in the base of that chain 10. Like that. Now turn the work. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. Now we're going to work into this large loop. Work 3 single crochet in the loop. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. Single crochet in the loop. And that's 1/2 of the heart. And now we're going to reverse going down the other side. Make 3 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet. 3 single crochet. Like that. And now slip stitch in the base, and it's the same stitch that everything was worked in. And there's the first heart. Now chain 2, 1, 2. Single crochet right beneath that chain. Like that. Chain 2, 1, 2. Lay that chain down and single crochet directly below. Chain 2, 1, 2. Directly below. Chain 2, single crochet right below the chain 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 chain 2 spaces. Now we're going to make the next heart. Turn the work. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch in that same stitch. Turn. 3 single crochet in the loop. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. 3 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Single crochet. And now we're going to repeat that on the other side. 3 triple, 3 double, 1, 2, 3, 3 single, 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch in that same stitch. And there's your second heart. And you're going to repeat across the row. Chain 2, single, chain 2, single, chain 2, single, chain 2, single, and work a heart. Now you want to end with a heart in the corner like this. So you want to have a heart here and a heart here. As you approach here, you may have to not skip as many stitches. So as you get close to a corner, adjust your stitches so that you can wind up with one heart here and one heart there. So chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. And I can see that when I make my next heart, I'm going to have enough room to make one more heart here in this corner. So I fold it like this. I can see that I have room here for a heart. So I'm going to turn my work, chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch in that base of that chain 10. Turn the work. 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. 3 double, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so go ahead and finish that heart, then do the 4 chain 2 spaces and work another heart here, and then I'll come back and show you how that looks. Okay, I've worked right up to a corner, and I'm going to make my next heart here. So I'm going to single crochet in that stitch, and I'm going to turn the work, chain 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, slip stitch in that same stitch, turn the work, and there's my loop, and I'm going to start working my next heart. So 3 singles, 3 doubles, 3 triples, 2, and single crochet. And there's my half heart. I'm going to finish that one and then continue working down the side. So there you go. That's how you'll turn a corner. And then you just continue working hearts all down the side. If you're experienced at crochet and you want your border to be attached, as you're working up the side, you could slip stitch to join in the previous heart before you start your triple crochets. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this open heart border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.